nothing ever stays the same. Once you let it change. Hey, let it think it up, let it think. Hey, let it think it up, let it think, let it think.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will cook enoki mushroom noodles. This is just gonna be quick and easy, so let's begin. We only need just combine everything. Place the enoki mushrooms. Add 1–2 tablespoons of sesame oil, followed by 1½ tablespoon of cocoa aminos. Add some pepper. Then the garlic. Cook it in medium heat until the mushrooms are soft. It should only take about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, just add some sesame seeds on top and we're done. That's it for today. As always, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more easy cooking ideas.